Okay, let's go. So we are trying to correct this one, right? So let me put I have I've made it the string right. Now let's play it. You can see that is correct. We have Sade and 100. Hello.
Yeah.
We are getting it right. So, but the thing here is that what if we were doing calculations and we want to use that input as a number? What should we do? That's the question, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so let's go back to our notes. I think I have a part of it here. We will still come back. Like you were having a question or something, please keep it. We'll come back, we answer. So we have determining variable type, right? So you can check that the type of objects. You can check what type of object is assigned to a variable using Python built-in type function. Common data types include int. I think I've explained this, right? So we have int. I told you int is for full number, right?
Number. Yes.
Okay. We have floats. Floats is for floating. That's for decimal numbers, right? We have strings for SCR for string, right? We have this, we have tuple. We have not reached there, so we can leave those ones for now. So I will just take out what we are trying to do. So you can convert string with the SCR and your. Whenever you write a function, you must call it with an opening and closing brackets. So all these ones are function. That's why you have this opening and closing parentheses. Are we following?
Yeah.
So if you want to convert a number to an integer, you just use SCR. And this one, if you want to convert string to a number, you can use what? You can use, if you want to convert string to a number, you can use int or floats. Are we together?
So where does those int or does like you write it the way you wrote print before name and 100?
Yes, okay, let's try to fix this our error with what we just learned, right? So what are we trying to do? We are trying to convert the age to an integer, right?
The string to an integer.
We are trying to convert an integer to. We are trying to convert a string to an integer, right? And what is that string we are trying to convert? I think it's age.
Yes.
So I will say to convert an integer to a number, we use what? int, right? For int, we use int, right? So if you use this int and wrap all this one inside of that int, let's see. Okay, let's try it now. What did we have before? Print what?
Name,
right? Plus what?
plus
age, right?
Yeah.
And now it gives us what?
Okay. Yeah. I get.
You get
it comes
now.
out 700. Yes.
So the catch is whenever you are using an input, just know that whatever variable is inside that input is going to be a string.
Okay. So if you want to convert it, you either use the ITN.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's assumed that since it is a string, since we are expecting the string, you have to convert to any other data type. So that is the one you use. So if I type in, how do you check your type? If I check in type of if I check type of what? Name, right? I have to print it so that I think we can see it like this. Okay. Can we see that it's a string, right?
Range, yes.
Okay.
Okay, then type for age.
If I check type of age, Sorry, I'll have to print it for it to show. Or I have to delete the first one. But let me just print.
Oh,
Sorry,
that's not correct.
it's not correct, right? What am I supposed to have?
Supposed to have an integer.
I'm supposed to have an integer, right? So am I the one that's doing something wrong? Type of age. Wow, this is serious. Let me see. Type of age. It's still giving me a string. Why is that? Let me rerun it. I think that's what I need. Let's rerun it and see. So our name is our age is 100. So operand types for plus non-int and string. About you plus location. What is about you?
The last.
Age, right? And where is the application? It's Lagos. 1%. So we have converted our age. Why is this thing giving us in our age is not int. Can you see that?
Okay, yes.
It's because we have not reloaded then. Our age is int.
Okay. Yeah, when you
So,
added the int.
yes. So the issue we have here is unsupported operand type for plus non-type and string. So that's print fault. It was about you. Yes, print. Okay, this one didn't even have a type. That's what it's trying to say. We are just collecting information from the other one, and there's no need to bother ourselves much with this one. Let's just remove this line of code. It did not give us what we want to do. So what we're trying to achieve here again? Adding everything together, right?
Yes, to have all in one sentence.
Okay. I don't know if I should give you that as assignment, so I should do it. Okay, somebody was trying to help out with something here. Can you come again? Hello? Has he left? Hello? Hello?
I'm here. Don't know if he has left.
Okay, let's see what to do next. You look for a way how to solve that or headache, how to combine this one. If you do not do it in the next class, I'll show you how to do it. But for now, let's see if we can wrap your head around it. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay. If you solve it, I can give you 1,000 airtime.
Okay.
It's a challenge, right?
Of course
Okay.
it is.
Okay, so you understand how to convert a string to int and to floats, right?
String and ints, but we didn't do floats.
Oh, we did not do floats. It's simple. It's just all of them use same thing. So, for example, right? If I have something like what did I do? If I have something like height, right? It's my height, correct?
Yeah, IG.
So I have something like height is equal to 50, right?
Mhm.
Or let me say 50.
Okay.
If I check type of heights, type of height is an inch, right?
Yeah.
So if I want to just convert it to a float, I can just say float, right? And what is that height? Do you see that it's now 50.0? That's it's added a decimal point to change to make it a floating point
Okay.
somewhere. That's a decimal number. You get
Okay.
that, right? So it's as easy as that. It's not something that is that difficult. Did you have a question? Ask question before we move on. Any question? Okay. So you understand this part, right?
Yeah, but
Okay, but what? I'm
if you
listening.
want to go back from the float to integer, what do you do?
If you want to move back from floats to integer,
Using that height as an example, where you already have height as 5.0, 50.0. So
from float to integer, right? Okay. So we can call this one, right? It was an integer before. We change it to floats. You get it?
Yeah.
Or I can just say int to floats, right? Is equal to this. Is equals this, right? Are we correct?
What's the float height?
So let me print, or let me just call into floats. So it's still a float at 50 point something, right? Hello?
Yes.
So you said you want to change it back into an int. You can just do this same thing. You can just say floats. Don't mind my spelling. I just want to be fast. Float to int, right? And is what? Int. Int of what?
In float height.
Int float to height, right? So let's now check our floats. Float to int is back to 50, right?
Okay.
You understand that now?
Trying to see.
You are trying to see. Okay, let me make the names explanatory. So we have here, we have floats. Float to ints, and this one is ints to floats. So inside here I should have a what am I trying to? Okay, I'm trying to print float to it's okay, that's it. So are you still confused?
So the second line of code underneath in line 41, do you need to put that for
In
it to
line
return?
41.
In line
Yes.
41.
Yes, and I need to write this for it to return, for it to write something for me, even if it's not writing. This one is just saving it to memory. The other one, I need to see what is saving to memory.
Okay.
Do you get that?
Yeah.
So you must always print something out for it to see. You must always return
Okay.
something for it to see.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Are you continue? You guys go to bed, you continue next time, or you want to finish it?
Well, it's not advisable just being the. I don't know if others are still online, but
I don't think they are following. That's why.
okay. So it's better to call it so that everyone participates at the same time.
Okay, so next time we'll just finish the remaining parts of the string and go into numbers.
All right.
Okay, do have a good night rest and try to finish your homework. In your next class, I will see it and I will upload the notes online now so that you can have access to it.
Okay. Thank you so much. It
You
was
are
really
welcome.
an interesting class.
You are welcome. Have a good night rest. Let me stop recording.